In this video, I'm going to explain how to check buy box rotation through Helium 10. Now, the first thing you have to know is that actually Helium 10 doesn't directly show buy box rotation, however, it does rely on data from tools like Amazon's Seller Central. So to check buy box rotation with Helium 10, you'll have to use basically two things. First, you will have to use its alerts feature to track which of your products hold the buy box over time. So you can do this by go into products up here, and then you can go to create and optimize listings, and down here you can see alerts, so you can get email alerts for changes to your listings. Click on alerts, and then here you're going to have to basically connect your listings. So let me load this up. There we go. It's going to say this tool requires a working MWS API access token. You can add this quickly and easily. You can click on manage connected accounts, then you have to basically connect your account up here, and then it's going to direct you to your Amazon Seller Central. Here you have to basically connect this and sign in case you haven't done that. And then after you do that, you'll basically be able to go ahead and set your alerts. What you can also do is you can monitor competitor activity on the X-Ray tool for insights into who is winning the buy box, okay? So you can go ahead and go to Amazon, install their extension over here from the Chrome Web Store. I also have a tutorial for how to do that on my channel. Then you can use the Helium 10, kind of the add-on down here at the bottom. You can go ahead, search for keywords or asins, and you can run this X-ray, and you can go ahead and see who actually is winning the buy box. So that's pretty much how you can do this. That's the only way of doing it using Helium 10. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.